After watching this video, you will able to start the email marketing campaign. You will to start and building your own email marketing systems to launch a campaign and promote your SaaS business and services or other products do you want to promote. It become more simple when you promote your affiliate links and your brands and services via in someone's email. So let's start the tutorial how to start email marketing campaign. What is email marketing? So in simple terms, the email marketing is most preferable method to understand of the product and service. So you will be able to more understand the value of your product and service. Your customer will be able to more understand what is the value of your product, what is your value of your services, why you promote them. So it's a simple campaign to launch your most valuable campaign with someone's email. So it's the first quality features. So why you are going to promote your affiliate links or some products via emails. Next you will go into second feature. So why you are promote with email. What is email marketing? It is the way to make reach to your product and service to right people, and it will take you get leads via email. Yes, when you mail someone, you will, if you give the right value to people, you will see the audience will be engaged to you and they will be buy your services and products. The result will be go to 90%. So why you are choosing email marketing?